morning all. I am Alfonsa. Yesterday we started our new academic section. In this academic section, I am your class teacher and I am taking maths for you. Unfortunately, we are taking online classes in this year because of this COVID-19. I hope that you are very safe at home. When you go outside, wear a mask and sanitize your hands frequently. Let's pray we meet very soon. Now we are following NCERT textbook. In your textbook there are 14 chapters. From it first we are going to study about the first chapter. Before we go on the chapter, today is the first day, so no need to take the class today. So we just revised the portions in the last year. So all of you get ready with your notebook and write down the problems. In the last year you had studied addition and subtraction. Now you understood about how to add and subtract 3 or 4 digit numbers and also comparing that numbers. Let's go to an example. Here for comparing this number, first we count the place values. That is, here the place values is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So we read this number as 3458. Here the number is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So here the number is 2359. For comparing these two numbers, first we check the last place value. Here the place values are same, that is 1000, here also 1000. Then we take the last digit, that is 3 and 2. In the 1000 place, the number is 3 and 2. Here from it 3 and 2, which is the greater one? 3. So that this 3458 is greater number. Like that, we can find these two numbers. Okay, we just find out these. Put less than, greater than or equal. You just do it, these two questions you do itself. Okay. Multiplication and division, we need to study the multiplication tables. So you should study the multiplication table very well. Then you can do the multiplication and division in a very simple method. I thought some of the students in this class still don't know the multiplication tables of 6, 7, 8 and 9, isn't it? So you should study today itself. Let's go through an example of that multiplication. That is, here a question, 2353 multiplied by 25. Here, in this question, first we multiplied this 5 to throw out this number. That is, 5 3s are 15, 5 carry over 1, we write here. Then 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1, 26, 6 carry over 2 here. Then 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 we write here, and the carryover is 1 here. Then 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. After finding these numbers, then we put the here as 0. Then next we take this 2 to multiply the throughout of this number. That is 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. We write 0 here and 1 carry over here. Then 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 and 2 2s are 4. The next step is addition. We add these two numbers. So we get 5 plus 0 is 5 and 6 plus 6 is 6 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. Like that we find 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 carry over we write here. Then 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. Then 1 plus 7 is again 8. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. So we get the number is 58825. So we put a comma here. We get the number is 2353 into 25. We get the number is 58825. We read this number is ones, tens, hundreds. Put a comma here, and this is 1,000 and 10,000 places. So we read this number as 58,825. 58,825. Like that you can do the next question as that is 9392 into 45. You can do this question as self. The next step is division. Here the question is 625 divided by 5. In this question, 6 we write 625 divided by 5. First we select the first digit, that is 6. The next step is we need to say this 5's multiplication table. We need the number as 6 or less than 6. That is 1 5s are 5 and 2 5s are 10. But 10 is greater than this 6. So no need of that 10. We need 1 5s are 5. The next step is subtraction. That is 6 minus 5. That is 6 minus 5 is 1. Then next step is we bring this digit, that's 2, to this bottom. We bring this 2 to this bottom. That is we get the number is 12. Then we need to say this 5's multiplication table. We need the digit as 12 or less than 12. That is 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. But 15 is greater than this 12. So we need 2 5s are 10. That is 2 5s are 10. Then subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Then the next step is we bring down this 5 to this bottom. Then we get 25. Again 5's table. That is 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. We get the number, perfect number, that is 25. So we get the number as 5 5s are 25. And the next step is subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 2 minus 2 is 0. When we write here, we say the number is quotient. Here we get the result as quotient. So we write here quotient. Quotient is 125. And here we get the remainder as 0. So no need to write that. The quotient is 125. The next question is 659 divided by 3. This question you do it self. Like this you can do this self. So in this multiplication and division you need to study the multiplication table. So you all should study the multiplication table up to 10 today itself. Thank you.